Welcome, friends and family, to Pagans Beauty. Today I will be showing you how to install microlinks, or known as eye links. This technique is definitely detail orientated and very tedious and repetitious. Placement of the microlink is so important. If not placed properly, you will not have versatility in your hair as far as hairstyling goes. A full head of microlinks would normally take, I would say, anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. Microlinks can also last between 6 weeks to approximately 3 months. It will all depend on how well the hair extensions are taken care of and if you use an extension brush. Here's a nice visual of what the microlink should look like. On this beautiful young lady, I did a full head, approximately 9 packs of hair from Donabella. I love always finishing the look of the hair extensions with the wand because the wand gives it more body and more waves. Hello, family and friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead, push the subscribe button, ring the bell so you would not miss out on any future videos. Also, make sure to comment your favorite part. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the rest of your day goes awesome and is full of positive energy. Until next time, family and friends, be well.